Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're in the grow room, and I just finished watering my plants, and thought I would give you an update as far as the progress. Let's go. So this is the two-tier tabletop grow stand, and on the top, we have tomato plants that I recently up potted, and as you can see, they're very small, but I up potted them. I recently returned from a trip to South Florida, and when I came back, everything basically dried out. So this is my response to trying to save them. And over here we have climbing pole beans, and they have really taken off. They also dried out. So I haven't actually, this may sound sad, I'm not really too concerned about them. I can repot them. I was more concerned about my tomatoes, and hopefully they will come along. On the first tier, types of cucumbers, pickling and slicing. We also have some tets that you're looking at here, and we have two types of squash. So everything so far seems to be doing pretty good. We're keeping our fingers crossed. So on this Vigo grow stand, we have some more of the large bush type beans that I spoke of here. We also have zucchini growing here, three types of zucchini. And we have our plants that we up potted from hydroponics. We have our purple rutabagas, and we also have our purple turnips. And they're doing well. I think some of the plants are yellowing due to maybe a nutrient deficiency. So I'm probably going to start feeding them a liquid fertilizer probably this upcoming week. Down here we have our peppers, and they have the same yellowing, so that is also probably a nutrient deficiency. So we're going to feed them as well. This is my hydroponic grow stand. On the top tier, we have buttercrunch lettuce. We have some giant cabbage that has not come up yet. And we have some more buttercrunch lettuce on the left. And we also have a couple of bok choy that put in soil. The lettuce and the other plants really seem to take off. So maybe I had too many plants growing at one time here. I'm not really sure, but I do know that the plants are looking fantastic now. The two bok choys that are growing, I'm going to go ahead and leave in the system and see if I can grow them in here to maturity. On the first level down at the bottom, we have two eggplants, and we also have some basil. The basil I recently cut because it was huge. And the are growing, and we actually have little eggplant flowers showing on one of them. So hopefully, if everything goes well, we will continue to have these grow, and we will have fruit that we'll be harvesting sometime in the near future. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I gave you a quick tour of what's growing in the grow room. It is truly starting to feel like a grow. I'm on track to have my plants be ready for spring, which is for me about a month away. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, go ahead and give me a like for this video, and don't forget to hit the notification. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you are interested in any of the products shown in this video, head over to my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description portion of the video. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.